Creating a portfolio on Behance, a popular platform for showcasing creative work, is a great way to display your projects to a global audience. Here's a concise guide. Sign up or log in. Visit Behance and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Complete your profile. Fill in your profile details, including your name, bio, location, and links to your social media profiles and personal website. Create a project. Click the Create Project button on your profile page. Add project details. Fill in the project title, description, and tags. Be descriptive and use keywords that relate to your work. Upload media. Upload images, videos, or other media that showcase your project. You can drag and drop files or use the file uploader. Arrange media. Arrange your media in the order you want them to appear in your project. You can also add captions and details to each piece of media. Project sections. You can add multiple sections to your project to organize your content. Sections can help viewers navigate your project. Project settings. Set project visibility to public or private. Choose whether to allow appreciations and comments. Publish. Click publish when your project is ready to go live on your Behance profile. Repeat. Create and publish more projects to build your portfolio. Each project should showcase different aspects of your work. Customize your profile. You can further customize your Behance profile by adding a profile cover image, links to your social media, and contact information. Promote your portfolio. Share your Behance portfolio on social media, on your website, or in your resume to gain visibility and attract potential clients or employers.